Welcome. Are you ready to restart your career from the comfort of your home using digital skills? Do you feel like your career stopped because of marriage, kids, family responsibilities, or a long break? You are not alone. I'm here to tell you that your career is absolutely not over. Today, thousands of women are successfully restarting their careers from home leveraging digital skills. They are finding new opportunities that offer flexibility and the chance to work around family life, all thanks to digital proficiency. You don't need a perfect resume or years of recent experience. You just need one valuable skill and the courage to start again. Many women worry, I have a career gap, I forgot my skills, or who will hire me now? Let's change that mindset. Companies and online businesses today prioritize skills and demonstrable value far more than old degrees or extensive experience. You can learn a wide range of in-demand digital skills right now to make yourself instantly employable. Focus on areas like digital marketing, social media management, and Canva designing for graphic work. Other valuable skills include content writing, utilizing AI tools, freelancing platforms, and affiliate marketing. The best part? You can start learning all of these from home with just your phone or laptop. Remember, a career gap does not define your future. Life responsibilities sometimes make us pause, but pauses are not endings. Many successful women restarted their careers powerfully at 30, 40, even 50 years old. Your journey can be just as inspiring. If you can commit just 1 to 2 hours daily to learning a digital skill, your life can completely change in the next few months. Imagine earning from home, gaining financial stability, and actively supporting your family. This is your chance to become financially independent and rebuild your confidence with every new achievement. If you are serious about finally restarting your career, take action today. Start learning digital skills today and open the door to a flexible, rewarding future. Comment star below if you want to begin your journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to motivate another woman. Your career gap is not your weakness. It is a crucial part of your personal story. Embrace it, because your comeback can be incredibly powerful.